Pairing the hearing aids. Pairing an Apple phone, iPad, or iPod to the Beyond Hearing devices can be completed in 6 steps. Step 1. Select General from the Settings page. Step 2. Select Accessibility. Step 3. Scroll down the Accessibility menu and select Hearing Devices. Step 4. Place the Beyond hearing aids close to the Apple device. Close the battery door of the hearing aids. The iPhone, iPad, or iPod will automatically search for the Beyond devices. Once the iPhone, iPad, or iPod finds the Beyond devices, the name assigned to the hearing aids will appear on the screen. Select the hearing aids on the screen to confirm. Step 5. A pop-up message will appear asking to cancel or pair the hearing devices. Select Pair for both the right and left hearing aid. Step 6. Once successfully paired, the hearing aids will be listed and the Apple Hearing Aid Settings page will appear. Congratulations! You are now able to use your Beyond hearing aids. For more information, please go to www.whitex.com for more Beyond videos and FAQ.